Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can blend one image into another image along with its lighting using OpenCV. So this technique is called seamless cloning or Poisson image editing. So just to explain you what we are trying to do over here. So this is an image over here of a building, and we'll try to put this image inside this image. But if we directly just put this image over here, so it won't blend into it, right? Because this image has been taken in a broad daylight, okay, and this image is of night, and here you can see there are some red colors and some blue colors as well over here. So we want to put the image of this building over here in such a way that it blends into the background. So to explain you what we are trying to do over here, so here you can see this was our original image, and over here we have blended the building. So here this is the building. As you can see, the lighting conditions have been completely blended so that it gets mixed into this environment. So it's working pretty well actually. So let's see how you can do it in OpenCV and Python. So first we'll be importing OpenCV and NumPy. Then we'll read the images. So this is the original image which is over here. Okay, and this is the image of the building. So this is this building, and we want this to be blended into the background of this image, okay, along with the adjusted lighting. So we'll read this with OpenCV. Then we need a white mask, okay. So what we'll do is we use an np.ones function of numpy. So this will create an image of shape of this image, okay, and we'll try to have the same data type as this one, and then we'll multiply it by 255 so that it becomes completely white. So basically over here we are trying to create an image which is white in color and which has the same dimension and data type as our object of interest, which we are trying to blend into our original image or destination image. So if we print it, I'll just print it to show you. So you can see we just have a image which has 255 in it, and if we check the shape of this image, it is the same as this one. It has a height of 1524 pixels and a width of 599. And if we check the data type, it is unsigned 8-bit integers, which is expected for an OpenCV image. Then we'll try to get the height and width of our original image, which is this image. Okay. Then next we'll try to get the point in this image where we want to put our building. So as you can see, this image is of dimension 6000 by 4800. This is the height and this is the width, and we want to place our building at this spot. Okay, so I have done some trial and error, and I have gotten this point as a place where we can put our building. So basically this dimension specifies the center point of our building. So the center part of this building will be placed at this pixel dimension of our original image. The the spot 1200 by 1300 comes somewhere over here at this point. Hence a building will be placed at this location. So the center will come over here. So we have to adjust it accordingly. So you can achieve that by doing some trial and error. Okay. Next we'll write our main function which performs this Poisson image editing. So here we'll write cv2.seamlessClone the image of our building, which is obj, which is this one, our source image, which is this one, okay, the mask which we just created, the the point where we want to place our in a building in the original image, and then the method, okay, cv2 dot mix clone. So over here there are two methods, mix clone and normal clone. So I found that mix clone works better for this scenario. You can try normal clone as well. So mix clone works better with the textures. Okay, it focuses on textures as well. So hence I found this to be working more better than the normal clone. Next, we'll save our results, mixclone.jpg. So as you can see, this is our output. So over here, this building has pretty much blended well. It almost looks good, but of course it's not perfect. But of course the images were completely different from each other. So considering that, it has blended pretty well. So you can try some other examples as well from your side and see how it works for you. So I hope you found my video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.